Okay, so I've added a bunch of 1 microfarad tantalum capacitors along the power rail, and then one that's even a little bigger, probably a 2.2 or something, just to smooth out the flicker, take out the flicker. Alright, so now I'm going to try to test the millivolt drop now that I've got it. I'm trying to get it so that a small solar panel that puts out what 120 milliamps is going to charge this thing up. Okay, so now I'm up almost 3 times the draw that it was before, but still a third or a half or so of what the solar panel puts out. So that's pretty good. And you know, just a little sport charger, right? Now this is going to be tricky, but I already know what the voltage is. I'm just kind of doing it for the video, but I'll see if I can do this. You move stuff around and it tends to make the circuit go out of oscillation. It's about 12.25, floats around a bit. We'll call it 12.28, 60 millivolts. And that 1 ohm resistor is actually 1.0 ohms, or 1.03 ohms actually. Not that that really matters a whole bunch, but we'll turn off all the lights here and I'll show you what you got for that. It's pretty good, you know. It's now at the point where I can see almost all the stuff on the shelves, you know, and it's definitely an evening light. It's going to work really good for the root cellar because it'll be totally renewable, totally sustainable, you know, with just a dinky little $10 solar panel, you know. That's the thing. Just one of these little guys here, you know, little amorphous, because they put out about 120 and that's drawing about 60, so you know, no problems. It's pretty good light for what it is. Thanks very much, Jonnydavro and Dr. Stifler. So I've sort of tripled up the output on that. That's what I've basically done. Kind of hard to do it when you don't have the analog meter there in line, because that's nice to have in line when you're tuning. But despite the fact, you know, when you put it together in a fixture, it's going to be difficult to get exactly that. But now I've got an idea. You know, I've got it, because you've got, with the variable capacitor and distancing and everything, you can pretty much make it draw whatever you want, you know, to a point anyway. Now if I were to add another bulb, that would go down, and you'd probably get as much light out of the 2 bulbs as you would get out of the 1, but your draw will go down because you load the circuit down, and I showed that in my other videos. Anyway, that's it. Thank you very much.